Well, I finally had to do it. I saw this new multi-tool on AliExpress and I just had to buy it. So I got it and it arrived not too long ago. But did I make a good decision or not? One of the things you notice when you look at this is it has all kinds of contours. It almost looks like a B-2 stealth bomber. Looks like it's trying to avoid radar of some sort. So we go ahead and we open this massive knife, which almost looks like a bayonet, a little bit of a miniature bayonet. And there we go with that. And then on the back, we have got a can opener and a screwdriver. And then right next to it, we have the bottle cap lifter, because you have to have that. And then you have a wire bender notch and also another screwdriver. So we've got several screwdrivers here in the back. And then also we have a Phillips driver. So one of the good things about this, I suppose, is that it comes with a pouch. I'm not a huge pouch fan, but this doesn't have a pocket clip and I really wish it did, but it doesn't. So we do have this 1/4 inch bit adapter. We've got the 1/4 inch bits and they do fit in here just like so, you can see right there. So let's go ahead and put this on right here, and it does fit on pretty good. It does have a little bit of wobble, but it's not too bad considering how most multi-tools are. So let's go ahead and bring over our test board, and I've already really cranked this down, and wow. So yeah, it does work. So let's go ahead and try to, there we go. We can back this out a little bit. Screwdriver function does seem to work pretty good. It's not too bad right there. So that is a plus. And then you can always use these 1/4 inch bit drivers on things like your rebar and your Gerber MP600. That's a good thing as well. So we can go ahead and we can unlock this Phillips screwdriver. And then one of the main features why I actually bought this tool is because instead of just a normal boring set of pliers, we've got a set of wire strippers. Now on multi-tools, wire strippers are not very common. Actually, they're pretty rare anymore. And so every time I see a multi-tool, the wire stripper, I'm thinking, I've got to check that out. I've got to see how it works. Is it worth the $15 to $20 this price tag goes for? So the first time I tried this wire stripper, it worked a little bit better, but it does work. And let's go ahead again, try these cutters right there. They seem to work pretty good. I think this would work fairly good in pinch. Let's go ahead and go further back. And yeah, so I had that actually on the wrong gauge. And so when I got on the right gauge, ironically enough, it worked great. That's sort of how it's supposed to work. So the wire stripper part seems to work pretty good. Does the plier head meet pretty well? It looks like it does. It looks like it comes together pretty good. So there you go. You've got a spring-loaded wire strippers right there. Now for the $15 to $20 mark, is it worth it? Well, I'm not really sure. It doesn't look like it's extremely impressive. The wire strippers are one of the only things that set it apart. Most of the other multi-tools have this. This is locking, but it is nice to have a bit kit, but that's really common anymore. So if you really want a pair of wire strippers, I guess go ahead and buy this. There's not too many options out there right now, but otherwise, I think I'd pass. All right, I need you to do one more thing. If you can click the subscribe button, it's around here somewhere. That'd really help me out. Thanks a lot.